Hello everyone, recipe for Solkadhi. Here's a simple recipe for Solkadhi, a refreshing and tangy drink from the Konkan region of India. Ingredients: 1 cup grated coconut, 2-3 cups lukewarm water, 1-2 green chilies, 2-3 garlic cloves, half teaspoon cumin seeds, 8 to 10 kokum petals, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon sugar, fresh coriander leaves for garnish, few curry leaves, asafoetida, that is hing, a pinch, 1 tablespoon coconut oil. Instructions. Number 1. Soak kokum petals. Take the kokum petals in a bowl and soak them in lukewarm water. Number 2. Prepare coconut milk. Blend grated coconut, green chilies and garlic cloves with a cup of lukewarm water until you get a smooth paste. Strain it through a fine sieve or cheesecloth to extract thick coconut milk. Keep this milk aside. You can repeat the process with the strained coconut residue and another cup of lukewarm water to get thinner coconut milk. Number 3. Prepare Solkadhi. Heat coconut oil in a pan. Add a pinch of asafoetida, cumin seeds and curry leaves. Saute for a minute until aromatic. Pour the coconut milk into the pan. Add salt to taste. Do not boil. Turn off the heat. Add the soaked kokum petals and water. Add some sugar and stir well. Let it cool down to room temperature. Adjust the consistency by adding more water if necessary. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves. Number 4. Serve. Serve Solkadhi chilled or at room temperature as a refreshing drink. Enjoy your homemade Solkadhi. Thank you.